Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the correct pronunciation of the word knowledge. So looking at the phonemic script, there are two very important things that we need to notice, and based on my work as a teacher, there are two aspects of this word that I think people find problematic. I sometimes hear people pronounce it as 3 syllables instead of 2, but as you can see here, we've got 2 syllables. The dot in the middle divides the 2 syllables, and the blue mark on the left at the top before the n tells us that the stressed component of this word is the first syllable nol. Nol. So tip number 1, make sure you're only saying 2 syllables when you pronounce the word knowledge. And my second tip, if I can get you to focus on the end of the word, there is no E vowel at the end of the word knowledge. It's not knowledgy. If you've heard that before, then I'm afraid it's a mistake. Some of my students come along and they've been taught by previous teachers to pronounce this word knowledgy, but it's not knowledge, it's knowledge, not knowledgy. So let's break it down a little bit more. So that first syllable, then we've got the n, the o, it's a short vowel, and the l. So putting them together, n, o, l, knoll. Repeat after me, knoll. And then that second syllable, we've got the short I vowel, and then a j, j. And it's the same sound in a word like jump or July, j. So you need some voicing in your throat, and remember, no E at the end. So that final syllable is idge, idge, like in the word bridge, idge. So bringing it all back together, remember, stress the first syllable, knowledge. Repeat after me, knowledge. Again, knowledge. Fantastic. So you now have lots of knowledge about the word knowledge. If you found that useful, then you could subscribe, like, comment, or share. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day.